In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record screen and audio using OBS Studio. So here, if you open the OBS Studio, then if you click on start recording for the first time, it will show you something like this, that it looks like you haven't added any video resources yet. So it will be outputting a blank screen. Are you sure to do this? So we'll say here no. And first of all, what we need to do is that in order to record the audio and the screen, we need to click on this plus icon for this sources. So click on this plus icon. Then first of all, you need to search for the audio input capture and then just click on OK. Then keep it default, or you can choose different version, but I'm going to keep it default and then click it OK. After that, click on this plus icon again. Then this time you need to search for display capture, and there you can see display capture. Just click on it and then click on OK. So here you can see capture method, keep it automatic, and the display, it will show you your display size over here. And capture cursor, it means it will capture the cursor moving, and also if you want, you can add force STR, but I'm going to keep it how it is and click on OK. And there you can see we have two options here. So right now, if we click on start recording, it will record whatever we'll do over here. There you can see we are moving our cursor, we are clicking on ChatGPT. There you can see. And right now, let me just close this. And if you want to stop the recording, you just need to click here, stop recording, and it will be stopped. So our recording is complete. So right now, what is the file that you just record? For it, just click on file, then click on setting. After that, click on output. And if you go to the recording, it will show you the recording path. And the recording path is this one. If you want, you can change the recording path. For my case, it is the video folder. So if I just go to my video folder, which is in local disk C, it is showing me the path C user videos. So we'll go to local disk C, users, and here you can see we have the video option here. Click on video and it will show you the video. And the video we recorded is this one. You can understand it by checking the date and the video time, by checking the date and time. So if I just open it, there you can see. So this is how you can record the screen in OBS Studio. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.